Apple's September 2026 event is locked in for Wednesday, September 9th. And if current leaks are true, we're looking at the biggest shakeup to the Apple ecosystem in years. Instead of a standard rollout, Apple is splitting the lineup, dropping a massive price hike, introducing a brand new form factor, and rewriting what an iPhone can do. Today, we're breaking down everything leaking out of Cupertino. Let's dive in. Let's start with the headliner, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple is finally shrinking the dynamic island by a massive 35%, pushing the display closer to a true all-screen look. Flip it over, and the camera system gets a massive mechanical upgrade. A variable aperture main lens that physically controls light and depth of field, giving you real optical bokeh straight out of the box. Add in a 24-megapixel center stage selfie camera, a gorgeous dark cherry finish, and a thicker chassis pack with roughly 12% more battery capacity. And this thing is basically a pocket cinema camera. Under the hood, the processing power takes a massive leap with the industry's first 2nm A20 Pro chip, driving intense on-device AI workloads while drastically improving efficiency. And that efficiency is going to be needed because reports indicate the iPhone 18 Pro Max will support full satellite-based internet access. We're not just talking emergency SOS anymore. We're talking staying connected completely off-grid without local towers or Wi-Fi. Of course, all these upgrades come with a brutal catch. Leaks point to a $300 price hike, pushing the entry-level Pro model near $1,400. But even that might get overshadowed by Apple's long-rumored book-style foldable, the iPhone Ultra, opening up into a massive 7.8-inch display with a near-invisible crease. It's a futuristic marvel. However, it comes with compromises, dropping Face ID for side-mounted Touch ID and ditching the telephoto lens, all while sitting in a staggering $2,000 to $2,500 price range. And if iPhones aren't enough, Apple is also rumored to drop AirPods Ultra with built-in infrared cameras, a stunning white ceramic Apple Watch Series 12, the Apple Watch Ultra 4, and a brand new HomePod smart display on September 9th. Which upcoming Apple device has you most hyped? Does a variable aperture camera and satellite internet justify a $300 price jump? Let me know in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.